And when the engineer maintains or customizes, he needs to pay attention to this part. Products document. This part introduces the different products, provides the product documentation, and server troubleshooting document and technical instruction. This part provides troubleshooting documents and technical instructions. About tools, this part provides different tools including log collecting, firmware updating, and here is the way how to collect the log. And you can download the tool from our from this link, and the username and password are same. If your operating system is in your computer is Windows, so first connect BMC with your between your laptop and the server. You can use the dedicated or sharing the networking interface and with the network cable, and enter BMC IP and username and password, and you can log in. You can use the log to collect something. You can use this tool to collect something. And here is the picture of the tool. So when you download the tool, you can see the picture, see the same interface from the as the picture. Username, password, and click collect. Then you can collect the related logs. And sometimes you also need to select the plate, the server's type like this. And finally you will see the log collected down. So you can find the log package in the same folder. Here is a zip file. And if the operating system in your laptop is Linux, you can put the tool into your operating system and run the command run.sh, and then follow the notice to collect the logs. And now, actually, I have already showed you how to collect the log in the BMC. Here, export the log. So you also can get a zip file in your computer. You can select the location, and after that you can unzip the log files and check the information. And here is the black box, and sometimes we also need the black box log, so you also need to exploit it and make a PEOS on your disk. And actually we also have the tool link here. You can download and double click this one and choose your sample driver. Actually you need to insert this hard drive should be inserted to your computer, to your laptop, and format the hard drive and select the partition, and this part is how to download customized instruction and firmware. Here is the link, and you can change the language, input your username and password, and click the server configuration and input the server number and click search. And then here, remember this, the instruction number, remember this one. and click Customize Instruction and Firmwares. And where it will be jumped to the knowledge base page and input the overseas as the username and password and login, and you will see this instruction number. Actually, if you can't find it, you can copy this for this instruction number at this page and select it at this page. Then the also is the practice part, and the link. Let me check with Mr. Tai. How's it going? 还有15分钟呢，不行啊？可以啊？怎么不休息？不行，还有15分钟讲完算完。真的。